The first step in solving this inequality is to add 7 to both sides. The inverse operation will remove 7 from the left-hand side, and what we're left with is greater than -1. Negative x is greater than -1, which is almost where we need to be. What we'll do now is imagine that there is a -1 here. Okay, it's implied. So we're going to divide both sides by -1 in order to clear out this negative sign. And so we'll get x is less than +1. And the reason why we had to flip the sign is because we actually divided by a negative number. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, you have to flip the sign. So the solution to the inequality is x is less than 1.